Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: MIUI updated and an active 4G SIM in the main slot because Volte relies on carrier and firmware support. Once done, make sure mobile data is on and briefly toggle airplane mode to reset radios. Then open settings and go to SIM cards and mobile networks. This is where Volte options appear. You act now to surface the option. Without these prerequisites, the setting won't show, so check carrier compatibility before proceeding. You tap the SIM card entry and look for Volte calling. Toggle it on. This lets voice use the 4G core for better call quality. Next, set preferred network type to 4G/3G/2G auto, so fallback works. This prevents calls from dropping to 2G. Once enabled, restart the phone to force the network to register Volte capability with the carrier. If you have dual SIMs, repeat for the active SIM and prioritize the one with Volte support. You should now see the Volte icon in the status bar. Make a test call to confirm HD voice and faster call setup. If Volte still fails, remove and reinsert the SIM, then test in another area for 4G coverage, because provisioning sometimes needs a carrier-side refresh. If problems persist, contact your carrier to ensure Volte is enabled on your account. One troubleshooting tip: perform a network settings reset before a factory reset. This often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.